Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video, I will show you how to fix camera scan QR code on Infinix GT50 Pro. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management and click on app list. After click on app list, scroll down and click on camera app. If you want to fix this problem, so force stop camera app. After click on force stop, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on camera app and click on the settings icon. Now in camera settings, and you will see QR code is here. Turn on or turn off QR code 1 to 3 times. After turn on or turn off, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on settings app, click on app management and click on app list. Scroll down and click on camera app and click on storage and cache. If you want to fix this problem, so clear cache camera app. After clear cache camera app, you will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is software update. Click on settings app and click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix camera scan QR code on Infinix GT50 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.